My name is Dr. Brar. I'm a cardiologist with Franciscan Hospital. I always wanted to do something that's patient-focused, and I've always enjoyed the medical field as well as science. When I was in high school, college, just growing up, I always enjoyed that field of specialty, and so cardiology just kind of naturally fit into my interests. Cardiology encompasses all disease processes that deal with the heart. So that can be coronary artery disease, that can be structural issues such as congestive heart failure, that can be electrical problems of the heart, such as atrial fibrillation, amongst various other arrhythmias. Any issues that we know about heart-related is encompassed with cardiology. Not just that, but we also deal with peripheral disease as well. My philosophy of care for my patients is to always put the patients first, try to listen to their needs, and try to really understand why they're there and validate their needs, and then figure out a game plan where we can develop together and try to address those issues. If I wasn't in the career of medicine or cardiology, I could really see myself being an educator. And I feel like that's one of the important roles of being a doctor, is explaining to patients what it is that they've been diagnosed with and what it means to have that condition. And I think that's really empowering when we can tell patients what they've been diagnosed with and how we can treat it. And so one of the things I'm really passionate about is preventive medicine. Cardiology gives us a way to kind of tackle issues in various ways, not just medicine, but lifestyle changes as well. And so if there's lifestyle changes we can address, I try to do that first. And then I try to talk about the medical side of things in terms of medications, side effects, why we're using certain medicines, why we're doing certain testing. That way the patients feel well informed as to our next steps. When I'm not at work, I'm a very outdoorsy person. So I enjoy hiking, I enjoy playing with my dog, whether it's fetch, going on runs. I also love live music, theater, those kinds of things. One piece of advice I try to give all of my patients is, let's keep it simple. Let's eat less, let's move more, let's focus on better sleep, and let's try to stress a little bit less. And I think if you can focus on those 4 things, you're doing the right thing for your heart health.